officially the Oxford tour, Harry Potter tour has started, and let's go. And then Draco Malfoy is standing near that tree and he's mocking Harry, and Mad-Eye Moody comes up and turns him into a ferret. My name is Vaishnavi.
Okay, I'm not going to be able to...
Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi.
Amazing. Okay, I'm on the way to the Oxford Information Center. That's the pickup point, and this is my way. Hello. Yes, same jacket but a different shirt. I think this jacket actually just saved me. And this is the street. So I am 15 minutes away from the destination, which is the pickup point from where the tour for Oxford will begin. Okay, I just saw this very cute little path. It's called the Canal Path, which is like, it's so much like a fairy tale. I feel like I'm in one of those Enid Blyton books. You have to see it to believe it. How pretty. Look how cute. Look at this. Look at this. This just happens to be here. This little canal. So the history being that this canal was used for transporting coal to Oxford. So I'm just going to walk this path for a little while and head back. So my tour starts at 12 and it's around 10. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock almost. So I still have like 2 hours and the place is just 10 minutes away. So I'm just gonna experience this place. Like, what is it even? Oh, look. So like, while we're still on this part, a quick story. I woke up like pretty late. My alarm didn't go off. I was supposed to be at the Gloucester Road station at by like 7:30, and I woke up at 7:30. I ran for my life. ऐसे तैसे मैं ready होके मैं भागी. I reached Gloucester Road station, which was like 15 minutes walking distance from my hostel. Reached there, took the train to Paddington station, and Paddington station say I switched the line, and then I went on to Marylebone station. Marylebone station से I picked up, I got the main railway, and luckily मैं वहाँ पे 8:25 तक पहुँच गई थी, और मेरा train was at 8:40. So basically I just grabbed a sandwich and a coffee, खुद को थोड़ा ठीक कर लिया, and then I got onto the train. I know you're going to see this. This is like a leash I've attached to my phone. So anyone who's traveling to London, हमेशा याद रखना कि सेंट्रल लंदन जो बहुत बिजी एरियाज है वहाँ पे फ़ोन मगिंग, फ़ोन स्टीलिंग बहुत ईजीली हो जाता है. सो ऑलवेज होल्ड योर फ़ोन वेरी क्लोज, एंड दिस इज़ लाइक अ वेरी नाइस बैकअप प्लान. तो ऐसे करोगे तो तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हारा फ़ोन हमेशा रहेगा. एंड मेरा सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न यही था कि हाउ एम आई गोइंग टू व्लॉग. सो बेसिकली ऑल दिस फुटेज दैट यू सॉ फ्रॉम द ट्रेन वॉज माई जर्नी फ्रॉम Marylebone station, which is in London, to Oxford. So you are supposed to take an outbound train if you're traveling intercity, and there are like lots of stations. Even Paddington had a railway, like an outbound railway, but I chose Marylebone because it was cheaper, and मेरे seriously बहुत खर्चे हो गए. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on that should have doubt hanging around. God, so I'm going to Oxford University. This is what came on the way. This is the Faculty of History, and मैंने Google Maps पे check किया. So this forms a part of the Oxford University. So a slight detour, since I am very close. I reached very early. So I am going to take a detour to the Scientific Museum. Hey guys, I took the most amazing detour and I am inside the Sheldonian Theatre. This is also the ceremonial place where people get graduated, and look at the ceiling. This is the ceiling which was painted, and this is the ceremonial hall where people get graduated. So this is the ceremonial gown and the cap. And let's see, step into the shoes and try the cap and gown of the famous. Wow, I will definitely try this on my way back. Bro, everything here is like so aesthetic. Like, look at that. This is a self-guided tour. I'm supposed to walk through these halls and I can like get guidance from them. Please note the Sheldonian Theatre is a historic grade 1 listed building and was not designed to modern building standards. Caution, old printing loft has low lighting, so please take extra care whilst in this space. And I think there's going to be like a lot of walking. I hope I'm up for it. And I think मुंबई आने से पहले मैं वेट लूज तो कर ही दूंगी. Fun fact, Oxford University has always been my dream college, and like somehow it just didn't happen the way I planned it. But the way I see it, you don't give up on your dreams, you just find an alternate way to make it come true.
There is no place I'd rather be than right here next to you. And I truly love to talk about your lovers, old and
So Sandra helped me take an amazing video and picture right there. And I'm like, I don't want to
My
take this
pleasure.
off. Thank you so much.
very
It's
welcome.
been such a pleasure meeting you.
Thank
and she
you,
really
likewise.
helped me, like she guided me. She gave me so much confidence that I will not get lost over here. She's kind of
Next
shy.
time you have to come here to
Yes.
see me in person.
Definitely. I will come another time and I will definitely come here.
Good.
you never spare me details as you confide in me.
Actually, the Oxford tour, Harry Potter tour has started, and let's go. So this was the inspiration for Harry's lightning bolt scar. And J.K. Rowling was touring around Oxford for getting inspiration for her book. And when the movie was about to be made, she sent that picture of the lightning scar to the Warner Bros. Studio. And she said that's how the scar should look like. Amazing. This is the Sheldonian Theatre, which I was inside a few moments ago. And let's go. We just saw is where the shooting of her biology lessons take place. It's where Madame Pomfrey also heals kids, and the scene where Dumbledore eats the earwax jelly bean candy from Berry Pots, every flavored candies. And this is where we are headed, right there. We couldn't get into it, but then here's the whole immersive experience of Hogwarts, sort of. The guy who looks like Shakespeare is also someone who looks like, you guessed it, nearly headless Nicholas. Nearly headless Nick. So there's a little bit of that. You just saw this, and now we're gonna go into the Oxford University, where Madame Pomfrey's infirmary is there. Now we're going, and we're gonna go to one of the most anticipated places where I want to go, the Ministry of Magic. Let's go. Sadly, we can't go inside it, but that was that. How cool! And this is the bridge whose name I forgot. I will put it down. So this is part of the new college. During the plague, the Great Plague, this is where they used to dump the dead bodies. Then later on, after that, it was converted into college. So that's where they stay, that's where they pray, and that's where they eat. So like literally, stay, pray, and eat.
And the kind of wooden surround. It's quite difficult from where you are to see what's inside it.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Stop! You're gonna take someone's eye out.
You do it then.
Okay. It's Leviosa, not Leviosa. I'm gonna try it again. Wingardium Leviosa. That's how you do it.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Stop! You're gonna take someone's eye out. It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
You try it then. Go.
Okay. Wingardium Leviosa. So we're not allowed to step onto the grass, but this is the corridor in Goblet of Fire where Harry's been mocked in those corridors by Drake's friends, and then he ends up in this courtyard and he meets Cedric Diggory, and he has a little bit of a discussion with him. And then Draco Malfoy is standing near that tree and he's mocking Harry, and Mad-Eye Moody comes up and turns him into a ferret. So that's the place that it was shot in. Sadly, we're not allowed to go there because you're not allowed to step on the grass. So here are all my Potterhead friends. Where are you going? Come back. Okay, she's shy. So hi, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name's Alex. I'm from the United States, in the Midwest, from Omaha, Nebraska.
Amazing. And?
Hi, I'm Tyler Dolby. I'm from Essex.
So this is Olivia. She was our tour guide and she's been so kind and wonderful. And thank you so much for such a wonderful tour, such an immersive tour. Like, I'm actually at loss of words because you're so well spoken, and I just had so much fun. And not just about the Harry Potter, but you also mentioned so many incredible details about this entire university. I loved it.
Oh, that's so kind.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Well, I really enjoyed going around with you, and you're a fantastic actor as well. You did an amazing scene. Very good scene.
Thank you so much. Okay, so that's where I came from. This is where I'm headed. And then we are heading to the church. Say hi. This is Lucia from Spain. And we are going to we met at the Harry Potter tour. And now we're going together to the church. What's the name? Christ Church. Yes. We're going to the Christ Church. So now we're going to enter the Great Hall. Right that way. Let's go. Now we're entering the hall stairs where we saw Harry Potter. Oh my god. You're a wizard, Harry. So this is the hall. Now this is the actual Great Hall. And now I'm part of the quadrangle, which is the largest quadrangle in the entire Oxford University. It's called the Tom Quad. So like I mentioned, this is called the Tom Quad. It's the largest quadrangle in all of Oxford University. We've also been instructed to stay quiet because there are actual lectures happening in all of these classrooms, and we are not allowed to go in. I'm about to show you the Christ Church, the main place of worship, which is one of the oldest churches, I think. We just overheard a little bit of theatre practice. Let's see what it is. Some of the props. That's the only glimpse we could get. So we are apparently not supposed to disturb any of the students, and we're just supposed to exit. And that's where we came out of, and we're back in the same place again where we had entered. And this is the end of the tour, and now I'm supposed to exit quickly because my train is soon. And you will be heading back to which place?
I don't know the name.
Okay.
Where is I don't know where is.
So she's been staying here in UK for a month now, and I'll be leaving on Sunday. And we just happened to become friends during the Harry Potter tour. I just decided to tag along, and she was so gracious to allow me to be with her and talk her head off. So like, that was fun. Okay, now we have to return our headphones. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. So we came from there. We're going here. These places are like very cutesy, very UK-ish. I think we are walking on the road. So we should walk on the sidewalk. Like, maybe I just need to just go along the path of Google Maps. Thank God for Google Maps, and thanks you, Lucia, for letting me record on your phone because my phone storage is full. So I'm going to take all the footage from her phone. And I don't know if you guys can see this entire place, but then this is like prettier. Like the way we are going. What is that? I don't know.
Kaya bingi kama naman slide ni Jamie. Kilip. Pinayaman na ride kambili. Ano mo kilip. Sinaya bingi na ride kami.
Oh, I was supposed to do.
Kilip. Dinaya bigyan na mabounce sa matiliit. Anong ride out ko? Uli pa. Come on, baby, let's go.
Funnanim falia, malitendula, the malitendula. Funnanim falia, malitendula, the malitendula.